was curious how many people actually use these shortcuts. For example, if you want to increase the rate the video plays, like speed it up, you do shift plus the underscore sign. If you want to slow it down, you do shift plus the comma sign. If you want to skip the next video, shift plus N. If you want to fast forward 10 seconds, L. If you want to rewind 10 seconds, J. If you want to pause it, K. If you want to turn the captions on or off, C. Go to the next chapter, Control plus arrow to the right. I'm just curious if anybody actually uses keyboard shortcuts. Font size increasing. Now that's the one I will like. To rotate through font sizes, the plus sign. Not sure if that works on YouTube. Do you use that? Rotate through different text opacity levels. Oh. Font size is decreasing negative. Now I've done like I think it's control and then the negative sign, which increases the screen, but I don't know if these work or not. But I'm just curious, do you use keyboard shortcuts? And if so, which one do you most commonly use?